mo be bia kwa ba bio mediba ideas GATV enumre aye enije semenkwa Fontom from Amanzi 2019 Awards ena yeba ebepie ewo Takrade Library eno ewo Western Region ahase na message obeka me ho na yakọ inside na yakọ share nije sema ekoso any Fontom from Awards ni nyina ne kofare by.
For those of you who don't know me and for those who know me, this is my town. I've lived here almost all of my life. So for anything that will make it progress and make it better, I go for it. It's for that reason that I decided that yes, I'll come on board. I'm so happy to see and have you all of you with us today. We all say that the best come from the West. This occasion is to honor the people and the companies that have made us proud and made this city and this town and this region be where it is today. I'm sure that most of you did nominate, did vote, or did something that has made this occasion an August occasion as it is today. I'm sure that the members of the society who have already been nominated are going to honor you. Are being honored because they really deserve that honor. Those who were qualified and are not going to be honored, it's just an honor that somebody nominated you for this day, even though you might not have won something. There are the thoughts that somebody recognized your efforts and has nominated that, yes, your work and children, they are awarded for this occasion. It's worth celebrating. I must acknowledge the young lady, Ivashita. She around? Iva? Please, she stands there. Give her a round of applause. She has single-handedly put this occasion together. On one occasion, I said that I'm sure they are not going to embarrass me. And even I must say that I'm really not embarrassed. I appreciate your effort. I think we have done great. Please around my applause. Also, on behalf of the members of the board of her organization, we say a big thank you also, all to you all for making this occasion. If you have not come today, I'm sure it wouldn't have rained because you are here to swim. And by the time that you leave, the rain would be over and you all can go home and sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, my name still remains the same, Abbas Meza, and I thank you for coming. Thank you.
First of all, I want to say thank you so much for honoring our invitation. I'll just talk a little about the award scheme. So, Fontom from Empire is a social enterprise that is focused on using media and events to educate teens and youth on social issues, and also indulge in humanitarian activities. Through its regular activities, Fontom from Empire realized the need for Fontom from Amanzi Awards, which is to appreciate various individuals for their exemplary lifestyle and achievement. Our vision and mission: to be the most accredible award scheme that promotes communal and social responsibility, to recognize and honor individuals, organizations, and companies that work in society. These include people from the media houses, organizations, communities, etc. This year, Fontom from Empire was to create an awareness on responsible behavior, therefore holding its first ever Amanzi Awards called the Fontom from Amanzi Awards. The main aim of this award is to recognize individuals, companies, and that have contributed positively and possesses hero-like qualities which can be emulated. Now, these are some of the categories that we're going to handle today. We have the CSR company, that is Wafuyena. And one thing about the award scheme is that every category has an Igluka symbol behind it. So the CSR company, we have the Wafuyena. Photojournalist, documentary, and then feature film. We have in Chinchin. With the documentary and then feature film, we're going to separate that because we realize that some people are actually using videos to communicate whilst others use pictures. And then we have the Radio Development Program, Humanitarian Organization, Community Hero, Most Influential Youth, True Leadership. And with the True Leadership is going to be our annual award. We have Women Empowerment, Volunteer Group, Talent Development, Innovation, Media House involved in humanitarian works, and the main award for the night is the Omambapa Award. Now, the person going to win the Omambapa Award will be featured on the MTN Heroes of Change without any terms and conditions. So, our sponsors, we have MTN, we have iCode, the Black Dog Management, Agrado Ventures, and Point Homeopathic Clinic, Sika Susu, Max Sports Media, and Alpha BC Clothing, Itwahini Automobile Consult, Ashes Hub. And then we have our media partners, Spice FM, Big FM, Kingdom FM, Empire FM, Radio Max, Radio Premier. And we have +2 3 times, GH Gossip, and kyfuller.com. Once again, I want to introduce them myself because of time. So this is Keswa Bennett, she is the secretary. This is Yasmin Abubakar. She is part of the digital team. This is Phoebe. She's part of the Ushers and the events coordinated. That is Bernard Forsen, part of the events coordinated. This is another Bernard Vanderpoor. He's part of the production. And then this beautiful lady is Coco, and she's also part of the events coordinated. Once again, we want to say thank you very much.
For CSR, the nominees are.
Okay. The nominees are GNPC Foundation, Endpoint Homeopathic, Gasm, and Tallow Oil.
The award goes to GNPC Foundation.
Okay.
This is splendid. We are from GNPC Foundation, and I would like to acknowledge some personalities. Through them, that GNPC Foundation is really in existence. So seeing them this evening, and if I'm saying this, I'm talking about the former energy minister, Honorable Amabwa. Thank you very much, sir. And Nana, thank you very much. It tells us that this program has come to stay, and we promise the organizers that as GNPC Foundation, we will always be there to support this program. And we thank you for the acknowledgement. This award is dedicated to all our beneficiaries across the country. That's it. Thank you very much.
Good evening. It's an honor to present this award for women empowerment. I'm doing this on behalf of Ms. Emmy Page, the CEO of TV. She, as an entrepreneur, was very excited when she was called upon to do this presentation. But prior to previous engagement, she's not able to be here today. So for our women empowerment today, these are
Women Empowerment. Here are the nominees. Actual, OAP, Masida Foundation.
And the winner for the Women Empowerment is Asida.
And I'm also the one who made it with this thing. BP West Indies. Only ever said I'm best come from the West. Now, I did a very chain. But that is your Western region, because one of my master foundation, I asked that foundation. And in Yamsha, GMPC for the Ashele, and Naka the pediatric Australia bread only. Say, Namina Mobuso, I'm your baby family, organizes Yamishram, Rebecca Soy,
Community Hero Award nominees are
Claudia Murray, Community Hero. Here are the nominees: Emmanuel Brennan, Black Soldiers, Takrady Police, Nyansapo.
It goes to Emmanuel Brennan.
Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It's so excited and we can't even show appreciation. We thank Almighty God for such a wonderful and a special platform and the high esteem way that He has raised us. And we say we thank you a lot. And we thank the organizers for such a wonderful award as they have gained confidence in us to honor the good works that we are doing. And we promise you that we continue very hard to take our Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Growing up, I always wished my dad would take me to a fitting shop or tailoring shop to go learn how to do some handy skill. Today I have a lot of parents here, so I wish all of you would take your kids to an institution or anywhere just to learn a little bit of skill. I wish I had done sewing very early when I was a child. The nominees are
Akuma, most influential youth. Here are the nominees: Martin Henryson, Emmanuel Brennan, George Ferguson, Henry Cobbler, Nana Kwesiwusu.
the winner is somebody I admire so much, Henry Cobbler.
Kanu Castle, Aiko, Bobby Kufu Kinanda. Good evening, honorable people gathered here. Chairman for the board and the event organizers, I say God bless you for such a wonderful program and event that you have organized. And by God's wisdom, choosing Henry Cobbler. I am Henry Cobbler, but he is Aye Cobbler. I am Aye Cobbler. Honoring him, I say God bless you, the organizers. We are really honored as a family being here. We dedicate this to the event organizers and the board that this will continue. This award from Zanzibar award will continue holistically. God bless everybody who continues. Thank you, sir.
So for Volunteer Group of the Year, the nominees are
Great Daddy, Volunteer Group of the Year. Here are the nominees: Pilolo GH, Winners Hope Foundation.
the winner is
CSR Company of the Year.
Thank you so much.
I would like to say thank you to the organizers for having us here today. Actually, being nominated is quite inspiring because what the group does is not for only young people, but it's for the whole security body. And we believe, as young people, when we come together, we can actually bring up solutions to the problems that are out there. We shouldn't just be out there shouting there's a problem, but when we come together, we can actually build our minds and solve those problems. That is why Pilolo is here to say, we thank you for honoring us with this award, and we surely do our best. So where are my Pilolo guys?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and the nominees are
Humanitarian Organization of the Year. Here are the nominees: No Rules Ghana Foundation, Firm Health Organization, Wennet Hope, GNPC Foundation, El Manuel Ministries, Imagine Tadi, Yambua Nyimpa Charity.
And the award goes to GNPC Foundation.
Thank you very much. Same time yesterday in Accra, the Impeski Hotel, Ghana Business Awards, GNPC Foundation was awarded the CSR Company of the Year. That was just yesterday. But more interesting, in our industry, we call something our end game. And that is most important to us. So this award being given to us in Western region means so much to the foundation. And we are very grateful. Of course, as organizers, all the assessment, analysis, and all the processes were done by you. Obviously, you know the other company that came after us. So I think the money can go to that company. The company that came after GNPC Foundation can take the 500 Ghana cedis or say.
That's generous.
So at GNPC Foundation, as I said, the only thing we do is to impact lives. And our target by next year is to impact 10 million lives in Ghana. That's what we achieve. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to present the award for the Media House involving humanitarian work. And the nominees are
Kurohuntini Akwem, Media House involved in humanitarian works. Here are the nominees: Connect FM, Radio Max, Spice FM, Sky Power FM, Kingdom FM, Riyadh.
And the award goes to Radio Max.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm accepting this on behalf of Mr. Maxwell Ayinkra, who is the CEO of Radio Max. And I want to say thank you very much for this.
Good evening. The nominees are
Visa Radio Development Program of the Year. And here are the nominees: Radio Max, Orange Kitchen, Connect FM, Omani Papa, Spice FM.
the award goes to Connect FM.
CSR Company of the Year.
I'm the producer that's starting to take it for honorable boss, staff appreciation. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you very much.
Good evening. I'm here to present my award for documenting feature film. And the nominees are
Intention, documentary, feature film, photojournalist of the year. Here are the nominees: Godwin Hayford, Saint, Jenny Barati, Julie Anderson,
and the winner, Julie Anderson.
Cinema Bean right here. Cinema right here in the audience. Thank you.
Anasa, where's Tindaro? Oh, I should have come. Go ahead and come down.
Good evening. This award personally going to dedicate it to, first of all, over 650 million women who were married under the age of 18 years. And then when we embark, actually all of us we see this gentleman here is part of the category, but we all together and then we saw through this very project. And then the very first person who did something humanitarian that I can talk of, I have not met this person. We only, actually he Googled me, had my name and my number, and he called me all the way from Tema. And at that time I had done my first film, which was also about child trafficking. And he just asked me to go to a bank, Fidelity Bank, stood there, and then someone brought me 2,000 Ghana cedis, and that was 2016. This is a person I have not met. Just gave out this money because he wanted me to do this film. So this, if I'm here and we are having this, it's for him, that's Sam Bukra and Gloria Adi, who played the lead of this film. And all my team here, this gentleman here is the assistant director for the project. And I think he's going to take the mic from me because I'm shaking. But I thank you very much. And I thank you from Amanzi Award. This is my favorite place to have been the whole of this year. Thank you very much.
Actually, where is Eva? I was so amazed when you put Imagine Kakradi in the category with GMPC. How can we compete with oil? So unfair. But aside this, I would like to draw our attention to something that I think is so important concerning filmmaking. You know, in this part of our world here in Ghana, filmmaking is still in its infancy. And it's quite unfortunate that those who have gone ahead of us are telling stories that probably they are not supposed to tell. So even the good ones that are coming, if you show up and you're asking for help, it's very difficult for you to get the help that you deserve. But I like to carry out experiments a lot. You see, film is a very powerful tool, and the Western world, they know it. So they are using it to impose what they believe on the rest of the world. I deliberately took a picture of Spider-Man and Nana Akufo-Addo. Stickers, actually. And I went to the schools and I met the kids and I presented the photos to them and I said, these are two photos, which one will you choose? And it's amazing, they all chose Spider-Man and they left Nana Akufo-Addo. Because the Western world have indoctrinated them that Spider-Man is probably more important than our president. So film is a powerful tool that we can use to tell our story and to shape the culture that it is degrading day by day. So when we show up and we ask for help, please consider and support film. Good night. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Photojournalist award. The winner is Michael Boache.
Good evening. I would like to thank you all for the great support and the love you showed us. And we look forward to achieving greatness with this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Innovation of the year. And we call the representative from Max Multimedia to do us the honors.
Good evening once again. I want to say thank you very much to everybody here. This means a lot to even us at Max Multimedia Institute. Eva is one of us, so we are grateful. We are so proud of her.
and the nominees for Innovation Award for tonight.
Nyansako, Innovation of the Year. Here are the nominees. Nana Ishen, Henry Kobler, Aiko.
And the award goes to Aiko.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please, on behalf of ICODE, who accept this award, I will say thank you. God bless you.
Short and sweet, thank you so much.
I'm here to present an award, Talent. Can we have it?
NCSA Talent Development of the Year. Here are the nominees. Asida Foundation, My Dream, Michael Ajeni Mbwati, Emmanuel Breno, Asida Phones, Daniel Owusu Esiama.
Daniel Owusu.
So it's the same as Wabi, that's his foundation. And we have a rep coming to Columbia Award on his behalf.
This hour. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And then Lisa.
Oman Bapa. Here are the nominees. Madame Habiba Hussein, Dinah Ajay.
Before we started, I made mention of the MTN Heroes of Change for the Oman Bapa category. And this person will be featured on the MTN Heroes of Change without any terms and conditions. The person who won this particular category is a woman who took upon herself to take care of mentally ill people. And then she was even abandoned by her children because she is doing that. She had to take people from the street. But she took them from the street to take care of them. And now the children are not taking them. So let's call on Madame Habiba Hussein.
I believe we should all be on our feet because it deserves the recognition. Selflessness, compassion, love. This is just amazing.
Bacho, many young men and my sisters were sharing. Any tabla the men. But the master comma, phantom from a my way, the branches, and they can't enjoy with you if you are. Mama. Is it the same tired for 80? It will flow. And now, any many back in the Bible.
Wow.
The dear man, Belgruma, come on, soon. And the dear Edmano, Cabatina, Enti mebegyina ha besi yenyina ti asese aban de oye baako pe yeto abama nipa baako no kwotena so a enu nkyere se ye program nyina bibia aban eni ti besem edi be kotu bi so esrem momia boye nuan ma omo state mu a yes wo sa award ya maji na me kwa na je ene so me nurse for ene ye dwuma enti se me ji award ya me boa adwada me do kwa kwa chiro mo se edwuma ye ti edna me da esi bia social welfare ma me no edna me da na se sa de edantie me fo nyina ase Data plan men nasi. Wama moshame ni abayiwe ya wama mendea mabejina hii. Wama share. Ono ana wama ya disedi uifio. Da wama share wato sadi kwa daka 10. and on the chair. Obedina would be if you want over. The Sasu did not have it done, Papa be a friend station. They did not have it done as sleepy, any enough carries. Now of Tom Blue. Crawford will groom her, say no one can man on Kamejana. And to we to maybe a man for we to say, I buy over Yenina, ya buy. Yenina, ya buy, for say, I took a body in the back of the sword. Nejumana Akano, Obuama, or Chichibon, or Musin Sutua, on their two good. Was in Sony the Beko, we are or Sony eating that flower. Not good now was a buying. Ebe one a year, if you are going you go pure water, you know, near to actually. You told we are not to have no go there, Joe. A chokua, never the bias are buying, I buy the water line. It is Mommy and dear woman. See a dear woman, I am free. The person tapa the main nati as I said. A jumana me fed road. A draw the air out, open up a castle with you, only your. A draw the would you create my archer 7 years with the grass. The dear man built from the comment 12 years. Yadini be our bombida, will be our bombida. And now on Pipe, me and our punch, the baby mammy, our punching 3 days, and send my baby to the Enti edro de bisremo obi ayi edro efi na brabo o ma ne mpaabo enye din so we am mpaabo enchina konchida bibie ne wan yagopo ntimi nyama enti se wo si we edro na gabo bradia enye wati edro de efi ni pampo be bia enti me data brabo na nyina
mu invite me na me de se me buy ma be hye me hodin pa nema me hu na yimbre categories of awards niema nkrofo ya bo nkrofo we community am community ngina enu say ehia utumi we say niema pie nkrofo ye boa so bia se bi obo nkrofo mu enya mental problem a obi omo koni fie no wakɔhwɛ omo niema saanum na ema eman egina nkrofo mo boa Ngofo kwa omu ni momo ngofo mu wa ho kire mu aye boa omu you know me buy because for the last 5 years me boa mrowan name of fra ndi omu so hu ye no mo fra mi se me bra say niema we na be ma ye region we agina be ma ye communities na agina nti mani ajepa
Obibeka se we MP nti na wo ska abomodi a hwe yanom mu ni bi e wonzima man mu wo bo wo mu enti no ade sunko ban pa ene motivate one ma wotumi yes a wotumi akatre
ne ma pi na ye na enye ska wotumi hu ena adwuma ya me kan enkrofo pi na ebo ame na maye enye me nko ama ho ode enti ne ma pi no wo ho na wa enye ezika de and to me sisan bibia eboa bemmom say ebomodin na bibi fi wakumum say opese we make a difference in the communities inti de bia me sorry am ebomodin asembe na ameye no because wa nyame boy say wankesa ne nipa no utumi ye niema a changing growth for life ma ususum cry da omu na ye dede inti se debia me sore na me hu nkrofo ya bo mu na me hu se nsesa ba mu abrabo mu mo ka se anamo a obu ama me tu ye nti na ne medu ha no enne me ya ho de ma me ye mo
ye be da se pass on ya twetwe
me da se
mom ye mo akwa da ba ide gye TV
me je so me ni aba
enyumbe ho aye fe yie pa na wonim se obenya abasobode
me nim bibia se me ba benya abasobode me nim se o ma yi ba ite ye se ye mbra na ye baaye ena aye nyame ne pe ama ene o ma boy abaso
Ghana man nyina nim se wo ye adwuma ma me dien ena obeka kire yen emaya ne mrante asisusu aye be
de me pesa me ka kire ma ba ne mrante o masisu ne se abrabo ye ntobo ase ena se wunye ni su ade hu no because you start as da no ya start preoccupy ne yadru ba bia yadru yenya ndi so ade no say ye pese ye maba na ye mrantie omunya omodachi na nkoye se omodan obi all the time ansa na omedidi eno na am ye duru ba bia ye duru.
Okay, mama, you better was a say when you to me at your common.
That's idea see Nyamisra.
Yes, Nyamisra was. Mommy, you more call about the ideas unity.
Yena.
Maybe a book or
Pacho.
Pacho Udini.
Pacho me the Abiba Fusini.
Abiba Fusini. Mammy, Yande Abu Abosso. Oh, Juma Pa Woody, a Dubois in your Noma Sebi, or touch Macacra, and a Abu Abosso away. Mean besides a mammy penny won't fear Drusi. A DNA bout in ma until you fast my dear with editors.
I did mammy first age me if you say Ghana Hano. Yen yan more track and won't so one nam stitches. Omuko jina baby said you and pray between Sugumo, so you record the young show Mozumi and Pebia. And I'm dear to me, Moses, and I tell you, I'm a boy.
Didn't wish us in a few bases.
Miss say, Miss Bay 15 years.
A Jumadine at saying, oh, yen say now.
A Juman me backroom, Mark second, my baby, woman, I'm a woman comic campo.
To what the corner at the same, Nemani, I get to say,
Meduomo qua. Na nurse for Baba Shomo, no mamma mundru, na ye more mudiani, near new Omukufio. It be a while, Sebetacho, Momugu, minimum bush and for granite also.
It's a bunny sana, offer and nurse for Momeshe in Colania Diano, and Sikasema film, a young night saying,
Sika from the Yana me brepa, by Manya, Papa be a friend, Mr. Shan, any ino chemist. Any individuals are sora ne enkrofo ti se maba wa ne mranti ababa yi ane o ma me begina he oboaye otoduane otonyomanoma de brente emayo ne mranti nde ejuma na omudi no mfie okra ya na emenwanwa.
And there, mammy, yes, I can say, empty for my boss body or moody up. I say, and you book Wogana has say your moody Juma as a sa a shebrany idea, no back come. A Cassasa Mitchell, we feeling it same.
I made the pa Afena, may year more, my age mano, Cassashe, Takra the man, and any
Ubesrem wabi from penny for be one.
And what they me here, wapa from penny for because I done a woman for 5 rooms. Into 80 me cram a dabonting. Until me here work a sepa, but one of my me feel ready, I dear ready ben. Me butais BBM, age mammy, me BBM, me there 2 ready so a ready no nimudi or you say, and they are my beijing. Say enye nyame mbrene na so ya mbejam me nka me mbejina nti dia kan nyina me se nyankopɔ mbeye
e die na wo hu ya ma wo ka se Ghana mai e ade ahote e di yenya
ade ma me hu se wo kwa Accra ana kuma special crew kese no ye ndi ye huni ye won se ye ni abua ma because wo kokura se a de ekoso krom na enkoso e hono fi se me se ye wo me ojo me busuafo nyina wo just there were time bia me de boy bi free akọ just be ne no koy cross one na de obeda abonti na me say do sin tuntum ne ofise ho no omo so na abruwa kura no kuta sikan no prapra ne fichire ni ade no de ball akokotuogu ye fin ti se krum ne ye fin no doson ye wura na obitimi ye wura na wahwe obi ene na de ode atugo tam se hochoku a na wasa akofra aban woni ho aban ne yen a enti yen na ese eboa yen ho.
Madam abi bebe da wasi bebre se woni ye twetwe nkomo na emrepem ni wa behwehwe wetu kwan
yo mati
Mr. Dominic Dia e ma kwa badi by JSGT
that's
GMPC for the animujuma amudie ade ba ko ben pa ene ma GMPC abrini na mutu sana mu
oba GMPC your vision pa ni say you be impact lives enti na ye no de bia ye hwe say ye be ye no ma be ma manfo asetene mu atumpon eno na ma de bia no ne say ye bia ye koso eye no haha so na be ya nkofo so benya ho to mo pe
da boso body ye dia ma o GMPC ye koye nimu no de na ye nhwehwe
ne ye be kan say se na ye nsisi a no amanfo hwe nim say be nim rosom no so esan say ahode ne wo ho opepa ne wo ho yankopo adom ne say ye akade so aban e de man enti
yeah, we should catch every canner in this country. Into numbers by next year, your target, we have socio-economic impact assessment, and you touch 10 million lives in Ghana. And no, but I go so I do.
Virtual light, am I? Intina, yes, you all know me. Edema, you better was the pass on the Achichinko.
Let me show you, that's
Dr. Isaac Opuni Befi, you more covered by DSGT.
Madam,
and you made the one if a pan.
Medas, also one if a pa.
Medase. Awoti edema enuanoma omo to anamo ebwa sebi anoma ye ni bi ne sebi anoma ye ho atochima kakra ena wakwakoye doctor uchefa wo se dwumedie we mwene ne se
yo medawase I think say most of the awards no ayana ye the man big men ohwa but ene awards ya the ama sebi wona nyeso mu wosika but on impact bibi ewo nipa mu. This is the first award that mehu Western Regional. Me hu says you continue ebeboa ama ye youth no and ebeboa ama wona wonwo bibi papa bi wo mu no won atimi aboa no ma yi apie.
Enti no from your position again obetumi aka kire awardis now and omunya awards ni say as going forward no again I expect you omu say omonye.
Yo me de me ka kire omu say ema we emomonte na ema omutiri nyom de nka say ya award me tiafe me tiada ne mum no say we na show mum kwan mo ye enema kese na next year ye beba ha biem no na we are seeing something bigger than what we saw today.
Okay, one woman be ono dia wo ye ni say wo share sebinyo no mo adwen atochima kakra from your end no dey na metumi aya support ami nejuma wo
yo mental health one of the section aya na advertisement and answer nneoma no Ghana na ewo form because mostly aya na say obi anadwen ho atochima no yensada embuom papa but I think say the woman something very great. The thing say yenso yekwa the near area I'm really inspired by nneoma warrior nti yekwa ye ne mpanifo badwene ho na on health wise no yenso yehumwa ebetimi de aboa woman no.
Ebeda was pass on here chichim.
Miss Medawas.
More cover Auntie Eva edited by DSGA TV.
Medawas.
And you may on fair, but you look so tired.
My brain, I'm very, very tired. My brain cancer, but it's worth it.
It's worth it. Okay. Yen bisa say a day and a koba ya as young as you are, what to me coming out with the great ideas.
Okay, actually, Obi Buame, me wa university no AUCC. Obi Buame, na me pe sika akwakoto me friend say me handouts me kotia handouts. To me call makola. Na wo ton kenta. We kente no they will just mention 50 cedis. E be 1,000, I'm 50 cedis. But me kotia guy be no 19 years, I was 22. And ordinary fee the first salary or the Buame. And I nearly wanted to kill myself that day because na me chino be a person me having an affair before they helped me, and then he supported me, not knowing that was his only salary. No kind of family background or money. And then you see, I have Kente on my head, so Kente became part of me because me Kente can make cotton, and I will be supporting. And then I realized that you don't have to get much, and someone boa obi. The little you have, you can support someone with it. So that is the reason why I want to put smiles on the faces of other people. When you say the scheme and the categories, it's not just a normal category. It's just something that you shed deep before you get so. And then I am sure fulfill it. You put smiles on faces, and then I was very emotional. I nearly cried, but I didn't cry.
Okay, coming up with this great initiative, how was the road like? Was it rough? Was it smooth?
No, nothing is smooth. It was very rough. No, very, very, very rough. It's got to a point that even yesterday, I nearly gave up. And I came to you. Yeah. After that, I nearly gave up because people talk of Okasa. But in all, I have people who support me. I have people who really, really support me, and they don't let us go. They just wake me up and they tell me that, hey, I was 7 years away, and here we are.
I was Ghana no siestati jumapa na afi sika jete say buy ntim I told them na afere ya toto ada enya ya yehwicha na ya toto ada musa jumedia was 30. Looking at your age, will there be a time you will also be in that area?
Okay. Debi ameka say enye sika na esisa nyimpa. Se nyimpa wo attitude bia. Munyas cancer. But just that ebi omunyas scar then it become worse. I don't have to change to be anything. You realize that there was not even makeup on my face. I always feel okay with myself, and people around me can testify to that. I don't have to change because of money. Sika bet me if you want at any time. People die and China go through. So why should I change? I believe in impacting life, so I don't have to change. I will not change.
Front of my words, Sisi and Yeviana say beto aso sa.
You beto aso next year. Every year be and then every year be add a different category.
It's more add na more yo.
Yeah, I just have to do something impactful. We've seen what Ideas TV you are doing, covering the Tadi girls. You are doing a great job.
Okay, and would you want to say anything to any stakeholder, probably you might need help from them or something?
Oh, okay. I just want to say thanks to my sponsors first. MTN, Agrado Ventures. I might not be able to mention all of them. Etwa Hene, Talent Promotions, Westline Consult, Empire FM, Spicer FM, Radio Max, Radio Premier. Every sponsor that I actually supported. The Black Door Management, I just want to say thanks to them. And then without them, we wouldn't have done this thing. I just want to say thanks to Mex Multimedia for the coverage, like Omar Bwame in all. I just want to say thank you to Ideas TV, to everybody for making this a success. I came here and I realized, hey, Tisana, and for even bringing up this, I just thank everybody, especially Talent Promotions. They've been really supportive, that I cannot say, but they've been really supportive.
All right, thanks for speaking to us.
Same here. Have a wonderful evening.
Be a free Jumedi na siana. The sign course would be abasubodi a dema yenu manasa mamefo a omutu sa akwento way and aso mudi sa Jumedi way esi wa munai so Western region has ende ama nipa bebre na itumi ehun atom anase sidie abe nipa bebre na enim aha. And I remember when I did from 2019 maiden edition, no, yedi esi midi edinana ama buediwa.